Geniuses, it's time to get rich. If you're tuning in right now, you are a genius, and it's time to make this bread. Boom! What Bitcoin just did. Oh my God. You can see I got on my astronaut suit, so you know what that means. Everybody for the last couple of years has been saying Bitcoin's not worth anything. Bitcoin's going to zero. Bitcoin is trash. It's a speculative asset. All of that. Well, guess what? We are finally about to get right. Geniuses, let's ride, let's take off. You don't know what that means? Don't worry, don't worry. You're about to find out. Drop the track. So if you've missed out on the run that crypto has made over the last couple of years, maybe you missed out on Dogecoin, maybe you missed out on all the other coins, maybe you missed out on Bitcoin, buckle up. It's time to go once again because crypto is about to go on its next run. And today I'm going to show you the great confirmation that we just got. It is time. And I'm telling you, this time, if you missed out, it's time to get rich. If you got rich the first time, it's time to get richer. So let's jump into the charts and I'm gonna tell you exactly what's going on or what I'm seeing going on. And man, I am so ready to make a lot of money. I hope you are too. Now that we're on the charts, doesn't it look so beautiful? I mean, man, everybody thought we were over and dead in the water when Bitcoin dropped down to 16.5, right? And normally I'm not going long under the 200-day moving average. That's just not what I do as a technical trader. But here we are on the weekly chart, and as you can see, if we can close above this 200-day moving average, woo, we about to take off. We are about to take off. Got a little bit of a resistance zone here, right here, up until about 31,000, 32,000. This is on the weekly chart, remember, 31, 32,000, right? We got some resistance up in there, but no worries. The last time we popped above the 200-day moving average, we really didn't have a lot of momentum to keep it carrying on. Like, as you can see, we didn't get like a golden cross until like the second retest of the 200-day moving average. And once we got that, we just got stopped out by all of this resistance, pushed us back down, all right? But now we got some really good momentum. We're headed for another cross of the 200-day. And we got the momentum going in this time. And I think we're just gonna blow right past that 32.5 and it's off to the races, geniuses. It's off to the races. Now, if you're new to Bitcoin, let's just go back in time. Just a little, we gotta go way, 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 way back to even find out when it like really crossed above the 200. And I mean, honestly, we can't even go back that far on the weekly chart. The last time it really was like touching the 200, not this time, but the time before that, look at that. It was at 3,300. I mean, I know we all wish we could have got in right there. If you got in right there, man, let me get the keys to the Lambo, right? Let a brother drive it. You know what I'm saying? Let a fellow genius ride, all right? But last time we bounced off that 200, we went on a nice run. 270 some odd percent, 230%, depending on when you got out, took profits or whatever, or maybe you just stayed in, right? 200%, 140 days. That's less than 6 months, folks. And then the next time that we did that, we're gonna scroll on back here. The next time that we did that, boom, check this out. Next time we bounce off the 200, ooh, wait, 900% in just a little bit over a year. So I hope you're ready. I hope you got your chips to the side, or whatever you're gonna do, I hope you got your chips to the side because it's about to go down. Well, really, it's really about to go up. And I'm not just talking about on a Tuesday, I'm talking about every day because of all the instability that they got going on with this war. Listen, this is the time for us geniuses to go ahead and make money. Now, let's just say if you're not into crypto, I'm gonna talk about some things that you can invest in, some stocks that you should be investing in, directly affected by the crypto movements that we're about to see, by the crypto explosion that we're about to see. And percentage-wise, I don't know, you probably make a lot more money quicker. But we'll talk about that in one quick second. Now, if we scroll down to the daily, you can see here, we about to have a golden cross, baby. So it's on. Only thing we got is a little bit of resistance here on the daily at the 31,000 price point. But as soon as we break past that, we may go up to 31,000 and bounce back down, okay? Just because you see this video in a couple of days and we go down a little bit, don't mean I took my astronaut suit off. I'm probably going to be wearing this every single day. You know what I'm saying? It might get a little stanky. Guess what? I'm gonna be filthy rich. That's what it's about. That's what's happening, geniuses. So as you can see on the daily chart, we might hit a little resistance at 31, come back down, but look at all this support that we got in here. Look at all this support. We're not going back down, folks. We're not going back down. It's all the way lift off season. Now, I got a real quick question for you all. Do you all prefer the dark theme when I'm doing my analysis, or do you prefer the light theme? All right, boom. Dang, that's bright. I don't know. Y'all comment below, let me know which one you prefer, but my eyes just like lit up all the way, and I'm just like, whoa, that's pretty bright. But I'll do it for y'all because I do whatever I got to do for my geniuses. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to be comfortable and be able to catch what's going on. So if you like the light thing, comment below light. If you like the dark thing, comment below dark. Let's keep it moving. And let's say if you're like an options trader, right? Or let's just say if you don't really like crypto and you just like, man, I want to participate in the growth of crypto, but I don't want to do crypto. I don't want a crypto wallet. I get it. There's plenty of people out there. In fact, I'm one of those people, actually. I don't have anything against crypto, obviously, but I just love options, man. It's like, that's my, I love them options, man. Things that I'm going to be looking to invest in when this thing goes boom, boom, are companies like Marathon Digital, right? Marathon Digital right now is trading at a measly $7.76. That's it. Let's go back to the weekly chart on Marathon Digital so you all can get a perspective on what we about to see happen when crypto goes back crazy. Take a look at the weekly. Last time Marathon Digital crossed above the 200-day moving average, $4.99. We're talking about $4.99, 1,000%. 1,000% gain in a little bit over 4 months from $4.99 all the way up to $56. Had a little cool off, man. Y'all know what it is, geniuses. Things go up, things go down, they cool off a little bit. But the next time we cross over this 20 and we let it run on up, another 160. So essentially this thing went from $4.99 all the way to $70 at its peak. So if you're looking for explosive gains in a short amount of time, and if you trade options, I recommend Marathon Digital and Riot Blockchain. Those aren't the only ones, as you can see on the screen. I got a list of other ones that I'm watching as well too. But if you don't want to trade in actual crypto, but you want to benefit off of crypto, Marathon Digital, Riot Blockchain, you got HUT, Man, any been making me mad. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't know what any got going on. It's been so much FUD about any. I'm just sticking to Marathon Digital, Riot Blockchain. Let's ride this thing on out, folks. Let's all get rich in 2024, okay? Because that's the time, man, 2024. I want to see all my geniuses be rich. Let's get it. And that's it. Listen, I don't have any crazy lines on the chart, a bunch of different indicators or anything like that. I like to keep it simple for me. That makes it simple for you. So if you're interested in learning more about how I trade, just the technical way of trading, keeping it very simple, you don't have to watch 1,000 YouTube videos to be able to catch up, hit the link in the bio. Go ahead and grab my course, 99 bucks. I'm going to leave it there because I want y'all to get rich. I was going to raise it, but since we got this new channel name and new channel thing, I'm going to leave it there just a little bit longer. Take advantage of it.